Okay, good day, guys, to my subscribers. To those that are yet to subscribe, you have not subscribed to this channel. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So I want to let you guys to know that how will I say it, that the bearish move for the gold is already here. I can tell you that for some times now we will start getting a bearish move on our gold. There's every possibility, or will I say probability, that this gold will drop to a level of 1,805, but not now. We would not we'll go into that because we would want to see this analysis for this week. Currently gold is trading at 1,865, right? So we will be expecting it this week to at least tap this level of 1,846 and possibly break below it. But first, on this goal for this week, we would hit a level of 1,846. First, now, I've done analysis on how to trade gold fundamental. I want you to actually check the channel, right? I'll put it there. Maybe I'm going to pin it at the top. I don't know right now. Maybe I'll do it in case. So in those one of those analysis, I said that when there's a bullish move on DXY, right? You all know when there's a bullish move on DXY, it means drop and gold will actually be dropping. There's kind of like a correlation between DXY and gold. You can start during this period when gold was dropping. It was that period that DXY was actually giving us a bullish move. You can see it's clearly a bullish move. But during this period when DXY was actually dropping, that is where we started having this bullish move on our gold. Where if you take a look at it on the fundamental aspect of it, interest rate has been increased. Bank of England actually increased their bank interest. The bank rate has been increased. Interest rate was increased. The federal fund rate was also increased. That means interest rate has been increased. So in the long run, it will not really, really happen as at now. But in the long run, fundamentally, maybe in 3, 4, 5 weeks time, you will see that GXY or our USD index will start giving us a bullish move. We start going up. That is to tell you that any other currency pairs or assets will be trading against our USD will definitely fall. So that is what I want you guys to know, that gold will actually drop, right? In the long run, expect a drop on gold. But for now, we want to see where this price will be moving for this week. To be able to predict this price for this week, now let's take a look at what this price is actually playing right now. We can see that this DXY is actually dropping, right? This is a massive drop, right? Of course, after this drop, what do we expect? A pullback needs to be played. So on Thursday, we actually had a bullish move, which gave us a pullback. On Friday, we actually had a bullish move, which gave us a pullback. So we would continue this bullish move, which will be like a pullback. See, at least it hits this level of 103.336. I've highlighted this level. So we will be expecting DXY or USD index to hit a level of 103.336. So as during this time that DXY or USD index will be giving us that bullish move, then be expecting our gold to drop. As long as DXY or USD index is giving us that bullish momentum, then any other pairs will be trading to USD, be it your Euro USD, be it your GBP USD, be it your AUD USD, be it your gold to SAU to USD, maybe your gold. You would watch out for a drop. You can start today, which was on Friday, which is Friday. Gold actually gave us a bearish move. Unfortunately, or will I say unfortunately, more bearish moves to come. So that is why I said for this week, at least we should hit a level of 1,846. So if it will continue to drop, I'm going to let you know. So that is why I've created a Patreon channel, which I'll be putting the link below. So in that channel, what I intend to do is actually give out high probability trade, trade that I believe you have higher chance of winning such trade. That is the intention that I've made in creating that channel. So if in case you are interested, I will put the link below. You can actually give it a try, just assess it, take a look at what I'll be doing. If at the end of this month, February, you actually don't really get the value that I said I will be giving out, or you actually don't get what you're actually looking for, it is simple. You can actually cancel your membership subscription. So just give it a try. It's just not that much. I will put the link below. Like I said, give it a try, right? Just give it a try. So I'll be putting out some exclusive content in that channel. So to be able to access it, you need to become my Patreon subscriber. So check the link below. So now back to this weekly time frame. This is a bearish move. So let's see what this monthly time frame is actually saying. So basically, we can see that there was once a rejection at this same level. So no doubt that price is actually kind of rejecting at this same level. Well, let's go to the daily time frame. So let's see it. So this price has actually dropped. So I think on Monday there will be a pullback. I mean, this is a massive drop. Guys, expect kind of like a bullish move. Do not be surprised if on Monday or Monday and Tuesday price give us a bullish move that it gets to a level of 1,917. Do not be surprised if in case that bullish move plays out, it's a level of 1,917 before it actually continues its job. That is why I say I am watching out for this level of 1,846. You might be looking at, okay, from here to this 1,000, it's 846. It might not be much, maybe like 200 pips. You might be able to grab 200 pips. It might not be much, but at least there will be a pullback that will play out, especially more visible on the 4-hour time frame. If you take a look at this on the 4-hour time frame, when you take a look at this movement here, there was a pullback that was made. So when you take a look at this gigantic or massive fall, you should have it in your mind, especially if you're a trader, if you're a long-term trader, especially when you're on the 4-hour time frame. Once there's a massive fall, a pullback will definitely play out, right? So this is a massive fall. So expect a pullback. With that pullback, then you'll be able to see an opportunity to actually drop, to even grab more pips, by the way. So like I said, if you would want to get an update of when this pullback will be playing out, when more drop will be playing out, check the link below. Become a patron, become a patron subscriber. You can actually subscribe. By the end of the month, if you feel you're actually not getting the value you want, or like I said that I'll be giving out, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So give it a try, right? So now back to this, gold. Like I said, more drop is to come this week, but first a bullish move will play out. So do not be surprised if on Monday and Tuesday it starts getting that bullish move. You'll be saying, but I said, a drop will be playing out. But why are we having this bullish move? Just have it in mind that there's every possibility that Monday, Tuesday, price will actually give us that bullish move. So, in case that bullish move will serve as a pullback, then one more drop will be made. But if in case that bullish move does not play out, price eventually drops, right? And it hits a level of 1,846. Then one thing for sure is that price will actually go up. So one way is that price will definitely give us a pullback. But I believe in this 4-hour time frame period, a pullback should actually play out around this level. Then another massive drop will be made, which means we'll be able to grab more pips. So like I said, become a Patreon subscriber, and you'll be able to get access to some of my exclusive content I'll be giving out.